Over the past decade, the retail industry has quietly gone through a revolution. Callum, a fresh grad, was working as a checkout cashier at a retail store. Callum lost his job because of self-checkout kiosks. It's not just Callum. Many young folks are losing their jobs too. First, it was online shopping. Then came digital payments, contactless cards, and mobile apps. And now, AI-driven automation is taking center stage, especially in supermarkets, convenience stores, and quick-service restaurants. The biggest shift, self-checkout systems and AI cashiers. These systems aren't new. Self-checkouts have existed since the late 1990s, but back then, they were clunky, confusing, and slow. You'd always need an attendant nearby to fix an unexpected item in the bagging area. Today's self-checkouts are very different. They use machine vision, AI-powered scanners, and real-time payment integration. They can recognize fruits, vegetables, and even bakery items without barcodes. Retailers like Amazon, Tesco, Walmart, and Carrefour are investing billions in smart checkout technology. Amazon's Just Walkout stores use hundreds of AI cameras and sensors that automatically charge your account as you walk out. No scanning, no waiting, just grab and go. It's fast, futuristic, and efficient. But it also raises big questions about what happens to the humans who used to do these jobs. Let's be honest, automation is both exciting and scary. For customers, it's pure convenience. No waiting in line. No dealing with errors or slow service, but for workers, it's a storm on the horizon. Across the world, thousands of cashiers, shelf stackers, and store assistants are wondering, will I still have a job next year? According to research from Oxford Economics, up to 20 million manufacturing and retail jobs could be replaced by robots by 2030. And in supermarkets, self-checkouts are already replacing up to 40% of cashier positions in some chains. However, it is important to understand that automation doesn't always mean job loss. It often means job transformation. Instead of manually scanning groceries, staff are being trained to manage self-checkout areas, help customers with technical issues, handle online orders and click-and-collect services, or even oversee the store's AI systems. So the role of a retail worker is shifting from transaction-based to tech-assisted service. Now, let's look under the hood. How do these AI cashiers and self-checkout systems actually work? There are 4 main technologies making this possible. 1. Computer vision. AI cameras identify what you're buying. They can tell the difference between an apple and a peach without barcodes. They track what items you pick up, return, or keep in your basket. 2. Weight sensors and RFID tags. Smart shelves detect when an item is lifted or replaced. Some stores use RFID tags, small electronic chips, to instantly record what's in your cart. 3. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. AI analyzes your shopping behavior, predicts what you might buy next, and ensures accurate billing. It learns over time, reducing errors and improving speed. 4. Payment integration and cloud systems. Everything is connected. Payments, inventory, receipts, and loyalty programs are all synced in real time through the cloud. Together, these technologies make AI cashiers faster, smarter, and more reliable than ever before. And the beauty is, once they're set up, they never call in sick, never get tired, and can operate 24/7. That's why big retailers love them. Let's look at how automation is transforming real stores around the world. Amazon Go is the pioneer. You simply walk in, scan your phone, grab your items, and walk out. AI cameras and sensors charge your Amazon account automatically. Then there's Tesco GetGo in the UK, a similar idea, using computer vision and shelf sensors. ALDI and Sainsbury's are testing hybrid models, part self-checkout, part human support. In China, convenience stores like Bingo Box operate with 0 staff. In Japan, robot stock shelves greet customers and even handle returns. In the US, Walmart uses shelf-scanning robots that roam aisles to check inventory. And it's not just groceries. Fast food chains like McDonald's and KFC now rely heavily on self-order key. You walk in, tap your order, pay, and your meal is ready without ever talking to a cashier. It's fast, efficient, and for businesses, much cheaper. But again, for workers, it's complicated. Automation removes low-skilled jobs, but also creates demand for tech-savvy retail roles. People who can manage systems, analyze data, and maintain machines. Let's look at the business side. Why are so many retailers switching to AI? There are 3 big reasons. 1. Cost efficiency. A human cashier costs about £25,000 per year in salary, training, and benefits. An AI cashier system costs more upfront, maybe £100,000, but it pays for itself in 2 to 3 years and runs 24/7. 2. Speed and customer experience. People hate waiting in line. Self-checkouts and AI systems move customers through faster, improving satisfaction and loyalty. 3. Data insights. AI tracks what sells, when, and to whom. That means better stock management, fewer losses, and smarter promotions. So, from a business point of view, AI cashiers are not just replacements for humans. They're tools for growth, optimization, and profit. But this also comes with responsibility to use technology ethically, to retrain workers, and to make sure automation benefits everyone, not just the shareholders. So, if you work in retail, what does all this mean for you? It means your job is changing, not disappearing. Future retail workers will need skills like handling customer issues at self-checkout points, managing digital orders and inventory, operating automated systems, using data dashboards and AI tools, and providing human touch when technology falls short. Think about it. Machines can scan, charge, and bag items, but they can't comfort a frustrated customer, recommend a gift, or build relationships. That's where the human edge will always matter. Retailers who train their staff to work with AI, not against it, will thrive. From a shopper's point of view, automation is a mixed bag. On the bright side, it's faster. You're in control. Lines are shorter, but there are also concerns. Privacy, with so many cameras tracking movement and purchases. Job loss, as communities lose local cashier roles. Frustration when machines make mistakes or can't handle complex transactions. This means the future of retail isn't about removing people, it's about balancing people and machines. Smart retailers will use AI to handle repetitive tasks while freeing humans to focus on experience and empathy. Now, here's the exciting part for business owners and investors. The automation era isn't just about saving costs, it's opening new markets. Companies are now designing compact AI checkout kiosks for small stores, inventory robots for warehouses, AI cameras for loss prevention and analytics, and subscription-based automation services for retailers who can't afford full setups. For startups, this means opportunities in software development, AI maintenance, customer analytics, and training. Imagine being the company that helps small local shops in your area install affordable self-checkout systems. That's a real business opportunity in 2025 and beyond. So, what will the next 5 to 10 years look like? Experts predict that by 2035, over 70% of retail transactions in developed countries will involve some form of automation. Self-checkouts, AI-assisted cashiers, or robotic support. We'll see more hybrid stores, where a handful of human staff manage dozens of automated systems. Shoppers might get used to scanning items with their phones and walking out, or even paying through facial recognition. At the same time, new job titles will emerge. Retail Automation Manager, AI System Technician, Data-Driven Merchandising Analyst. So, automation doesn't kill jobs, it evolves them. The key will be adaptability, learning new skills, understanding technology, and keeping the human side of retail alive. Of course, there are challenges. What happens to communities where automation removes thousands of jobs? How do we ensure older workers aren't left behind? And how do we protect privacy when every move in a store is tracked? These are tough questions, but they must be part of the automation conversation. Governments, retailers, and tech companies must work together to retrain displaced workers, create policies for data protection, and make automation inclusive, not exclusive. Because technology should serve people, not replace them entirely. So where does this leave us? The retail world is at a crossroads. AI cashiers and self-checkout systems are here to stay. They'll become faster, cheaper, and smarter. But human skills, empathy, creativity, communication will remain irreplaceable. The smartest businesses will blend both. Machines for precision, humans for connection. And as customers, workers, or entrepreneurs, we all have a role in shaping that balance. The automation era isn't something to fear, it's something to understand. Yes, it changes the way we work. Yes, it challenges old systems, but it also opens doors for innovation, new skills, and smarter jobs. The future of retail won't be humans versus machines. It will be humans and machines working together. So next time you scan your own groceries or tap checkout on a self-service screen, remember, you're not just paying for your items, you're witnessing the retail. Subscribe to Surviving AI channel for more content on how AI is going to affect various job roles across the sectors.